Welcome to our Mock Interview Pro Series. If you're gearing up for a technical support role, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll guide you through some key questions you might encounter in your interview. Let's get started with our first question, all about transforming an unhappy customer into a happy one. Can you share an experience where you turned a dissatisfied customer into a satisfied one? Interviewers ask this to gauge your customer service skills and your ability to handle complaints effectively. Here are some tips to help you craft a compelling response. Think of a particular instance where you directly helped a customer. Focus on showing empathy and understanding of the customer's frustration. Walk through the steps you took to resolve the situation. Highlight the positive outcome and any feedback you received. Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. Let's look at an example answer to see how you might put this together.
In my previous job, I dealt with a customer who was upset due to a billing error. I listened carefully to their concerns and apologized for the mistake. After investigating, I found the error, corrected it, and credited their account. The customer appreciated the prompt resolution and praised our support team.
By the way, we're only covering a handful of questions in this video, but I've prepared a free PDF with all 30 top interview questions for technical support. It also includes example answers and tips to help you prepare with confidence. The download link is just below. Tell me about a challenging technical problem you've solved. How did you go about it? This question assesses your problem-solving abilities and technical expertise. Consider these points when formulating your answer. Identify a specific technical challenge you've encountered. Explain the context and why the problem was significant. Describe your process for investigating and resolving the issue. Mention any tools or methods that were particularly helpful. Share the outcome and any lessons you learned. Here's an example to illustrate how you might answer this question.
I once faced a situation where a critical server went down, affecting all users. I quickly gathered logs to diagnose the issue and identified a failed update as the cause. I rolled back the changes and monitored the system's stability. The server was restored in under an hour, and I learned the importance of testing updates beforehand.
Describe a time when you worked as part of a team to troubleshoot a technical issue. This question is designed to understand your teamwork and collaboration skills in technical settings. Here are some strategies to help you answer effectively. Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. Select a specific technical issue you worked on as a team. Highlight your role and contributions to the team effort. Emphasize communication and collaboration with your colleagues. Conclude with the positive outcome and what you learned. Let's take a look at a sample response.
In a previous role, we experienced a major outage in our customer support system. Our team had to restore service swiftly. I coordinated with network engineers and customer service reps, sharing insights and updates. We discovered a server misconfiguration, corrected it, and restored service within an hour, minimizing downtime.
Imagine a major software product you support suddenly goes down. What would you do first? This question tests your crisis management skills and ability to handle high-pressure situations. Here are some steps to consider when tackling such scenarios. Start by gathering information about the outage, such as logs and status reports. Communicate promptly with affected users to acknowledge the issue. Prioritize your response based on the severity and impact of the outage. Collaborate with technical teams to diagnose the problem. Implement a temporary solution while working on a permanent fix. Here's how you might structure your response.
I would first check system logs to gather initial data about the error. Then, I'd inform users and set expectations while we work on a solution. Next, I would assess the impact and coordinate with key technical staff to quickly diagnose and address the issue.
You're tasked with training new users on a software application. How would you handle this? Interviewers want to see your approach to user training and ability to communicate complex information effectively. Consider these steps to deliver an effective training session. Begin by assessing the user's current skill levels. Break the training into clear, manageable modules. Use hands-on demonstrations to illustrate key features. Encourage questions throughout the training session. Provide resources for further learning after the session. Let's go through an example to clarify.
I would start by understanding the user's backgrounds to tailor my training. Then, I would break the session into segments, focusing on different features, and use live demos to show how to use the application effectively. I'd ensure to pause for questions and provide cheat sheets for them to refer to later.
Before we wrap up, remember you can get all 30 questions, example answers, and step-by-step tips in a handy PDF. Totally free. Just grab it below.